Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, I am your mathematics teacher, Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif. Today we will continue our lecture of 10th class, lecture number 7. And last time we started our exercise 1.3 and we solved our question number 4. Now we will have question number 5, exercise 1.3, question number 5. 3x power minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8x power minus 1. Now we will have, first of all, we will bring this 8x minus 1 to left hand side. We have 3x power minus 2 minus 8x power minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we will substitute, let x power minus 1 is equal to y. Scaling, we get x power minus 1 whole power 2. This is y square is equal to power over power, both are multiplied, so it will be x power minus 2. Therefore, we can write down our expression 3y square minus 8y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, we will multiply first and last and will make the pairs, that is 15y square, 1 and 15, 3 and 5. Dear students, I told you that after making the pairs, you will check which pair after adding or subtracting is making minus 8 and after multiplying it's making plus 15. Remember that again, which pair is suitable after adding or subtracting, it will give you minus 8 and after multiplying you will have positive 15, and definitely 5 and 3 is the suitable pair. But remember that in case of central sign, positive or negative, it will be written along with the bigger component of your pair. Bigger component of pair will have the sign of central term. So this is minus 5 and here is positive. So that's why it must be minus 3. Minus 5, minus 3 added to get minus 8 and they are multiplied minus minus plus and 5, 3 the 15. So you can write down 3y square minus 3y minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here you can take 3y common from first two terms, that is y minus 1, and then minus 5 common, y minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies that y minus 1 into 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Because in both terms we have y minus 1 bracket as common. So here y minus 1 is equal to 0 or 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. You will write down independently as zeros. So y is equal to 1 and 3y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5 by 3. Your question was in variable x and you got the answer in y. So that's why you can use by backward substitution. By backward substitution, instead of y you can apply x power minus 1 is equal to 1 and x power minus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. Dear students, you can have 1 over x is equal to 1 and 1 over x is equal to 5 by 3. Remember that whenever the term is shifted to the denominator or numerator, the sign of power will change. So in this way, you can have x over 1 is equal to 1 over 1, and here is reciprocally x over 1 is equal to 3 over 5. Right side is also reciprocal. So we have solution set 1 and 3 over 5. So dear students, this was your question number 5. You can see 3x power minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8x power minus 1. We have shifted this 8x minus 1 to left hand side, and then x power minus 1 is equal to y. We disposed, so that we can make it the proper shape of quadratic equation. So taking square, we will get y square value is equal to x minus 2. So instead of x minus 2, we will apply y square, and instead of x minus 1, we apply y here. Now we multiplied and make the pairs 15y square, 1 and 15, 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is the pair which is making 8. But the sign of bigger component will have the sign of center term. So that's why this is minus 5 and minus 3, and you can write down. And after that, taking common from first two and last two, and we have two brackets. They are written separately equal to 0, and we got the value of y. Remember that, don't leave your answer here because your variable was x in question. So convert it into again value of x. So by backward substitution, x minus 1 equal to 1 and x power minus 1 5 over 3, taking reciprocal, and we got this answer. I hope that you understood this question. After that, we have question number 5, or rather question number 6, 7 and 8. Question number 6, 7 and 8, they are basically similar. So we can select one question from, I think we can take question number 8. Question number 8. First of all, we have to simplify it, and then we will apply the method. Question number 8. 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1 is equal to 2 whole 1 over 6. 2 whole 1 over 6. Here you can check 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1. 6 2s are 12, 13 over 6. Multiplying throughout by LCM or even you can have 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to y. Because this is reciprocal, it will be 1 over y. So let 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to y. Then if you have the reciprocal on both sides, then 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1 is equal to 1 over y. Remember that this is y over 1. When it is reciprocal, it becomes 1 over y. Actually, 1 is not written here, but always there is 1. So y over 1 can be written as 1 over y, taking reciprocal. So what is the benefit of that? Instead of first term, you have y, and instead of second term, you have 1 over y is equal to 13 over 6. Now, what is the LCM of this expression now? This equation, that is 6 and y. multiplying both sides by 6y. 6y into y. 6y into 1 over y. 6y into 13 over 6. You can check y cancelled out. 6 and 6 cancelled out. And we are left with 6y square and plus 6 is equal to 13y. 6y square plus 6 plus 13y. Bring this 13y to the left hand side. 6y square minus 13y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now multiplying first and last, you will get 12, positive 12y square. The possible pairs are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Now you can check which pair is making 13 by adding and subtracting. Definitely this is adding 7, subtracting 1, adding 8, subtracting 4, adding 13, subtracting 11. So one is the possibility when you add this pair, you will get this 13. So clearly your suitable pair is 1 and 12. But remember that bigger component will have the sign from the center. I told you already that this is minus 12, and remember that there is plus 12. After multiplying, it must be plus 12, so you must have minus 1 also. So minus 12 minus 1, that is equal to minus 13. And if you multiply them, minus minus plus 12 on the 12. So after multiplying, you are getting plus 12. After adding, you are getting minus 13. So this is according to the rule. Now you can have 6y square minus 12y minus 1y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now you can take 6y common from first two terms. Y minus 2, y minus, so y minus 2, what is this? Oh, sorry, my dear students, after multiplying it was not 12, it is 36, sorry. It was 36. Actually I was adding, actually they are multiplied. So what are the possible pairs? 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 6 and 6. Dear students, you can check, this is 36y square. These are the possible pairs. You will find that pair which when added or subtracted to get 13, and when they are multiplied you will get plus 36. 1 and 36, okay, not possible because they are not making 13. 2 and 18, no. 3 and 12, no, they are not making 13. 4 and 9, they are making 13 when they are added. 6 and 6, they are making 12 after adding. So your suitable pair is 4 and 9. In case of 4 and 9, I told you that the bigger component will have the sign of center value. Here is minus also, because minus minus plus 9 for the 36. So in this way, you are getting by adding minus 13 and by multiplying plus 36. 6y square minus 9y minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here you can take 3y common, 2y minus 3 and minus 2 common, 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Remember that when you are taking negative common, then there will be change of sign inside the bracket. So in this way you will have 2y minus 3 into 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here is 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3y minus 2 is equal to 0, implies that y is equal to 3 over 2 and here y is equal to 2 by 3. Dear students, we have the values of y. Remember that your answer is in terms of y, but your question was given in terms of x, in variable x. So that's why you have to convert your answer into the shape in the values of x. Okay, now we have by backward substitution. By backward substitution, what is the value of y? 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Then again, this value of y, 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. Here you can check. These are the equations. You can have cross multiplication. 3 into 4x minus 1, 2 into 4x plus 1. Now you will have cross multiplication again. 3 into 4x plus 1, 2 into 4x minus 1. Multiply them, open up the brackets. 12x plus 3, 8x minus 2. Bring this 8x and bring this 3 on the other side. 12x minus 8x is equal to 2 plus 3. 12x minus 8x is equal to minus 2 minus 3. So here will be 4x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Similarly, 4x is equal to plus 5 and x is equal to 5 over 4. You can write down with plus and minus both answers at the same time, or even you can write down separately. 5 over 4 and minus 5 over 4, that is your answer. I hope that you got the idea how to solve this question. After that, we have question number 9, and question number 9 is actually the similar, just like the previous. Here is question number 9 is x minus a over x plus a minus x plus a over x minus a is equal to 7 over 12. Dear students, again you can check. This is x minus a over x plus a. And this is reciprocal of that. So here, let x minus a over x plus a is equal to y. Actually, y is y over 1. Taking reciprocal to find the value of second part. This is x plus a over x minus a. That is equal to 1 over y. Therefore, above equation becomes y minus, then what is the value of this? This one. This is 1 over y is equal to 7 over 12. Now you have 12 and y LCM, multiplying both sides by 12y. 12 cancelled out and y cancelled out. We are left with 12y square minus 12 is equal to 7y. Bring this 7y to the left hand side. So here we have first and last is multiplied, it will be minus 144. Minus 144 y square. Actually we have to make the possible pair. By adding, subtracting, we must get minus 7. And by multiplying, we must get minus 144. Here will be 1 and 144. 2 and 72, 3 and 48, and 4 and you can take 6. 24 and 6, and after that 8, 8 and 18. I think it is, yes, 8 and 18. Then twelve and 12. So we have, I think we can take 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, no, 6, 6 1 the 6 and 6 2 is the 12 and 6 4 the 24 and 7, no, 8, 9, 9 and 16. 9 and 16. So we have so many pairs, but there is only one pair which is making 7. My dear students, look at that. That was a bigger number and we have to make the pairs. There is only one pair which is making by adding or subtracting, that is 7. And that one, I think this is last one. Others are bigger than that or less than that. But here, the bigger component will have the sign of central value. So here will be minus and this will be plus. So here you can write down 12y square plus 9y minus 16y minus 12 is equal to 0. Here you can take 3y common, 4y plus 3 minus 4 common, 4y plus 3 that is equal to 0. You are taking minus 4 common, so that's why there is a change of sign inside. Here is 3y minus 4 into 4y plus 3 that is equal to 0. Implies that 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Implies that y is equal to 4 over 3 and y is equal to minus 3 over 4. Again, you are getting your answer in terms of y variable, but you have x variable here in this question. So that's why you can use this value by backward substitution. Using by backward substitution, we have x minus a over x plus a is equal to 4 over 3. X minus a over x plus a is equal to minus 3 over 4. Here we will find the value of the variable. Value of variable means value of x. By cross multiplying, we will get 4 into x plus a is equal to 3 into x minus a. Again, you will multiply. You will have cross multiplication, that will be equal to 4 into x minus a is equal to minus 3 into x plus a. 4x plus 4a is equal to 3x minus 3a. 4x minus 4a is equal to minus 3x minus 3a. Bring this 3x to the left hand side. Here you will have minus 3, bring positive 4 on the other side. This will be minus 4a. So x is equal to minus 7a, and again bring this 3x. It will become positive on left hand side, and minus 3a and minus 4a become plus 4a on the other side. 7x is equal to a and x is equal to a over 7. So your solution set is minus 7a and a over 7. Dear students, I have selected and I have chosen, I have considered this was equal to y and this was equal to 1 over y. Even then, if you don't substitute, you can take 12 into x minus a into x plus a as LCM, and throughout you multiply and then find your answer. You will find the same answer. There will be no problem if you use the other method. I hope that you can understand this question and revise it at home. And if there is any problem, any confusion, you can contact me, inshallah Aziz. I will give you the assignment after completing this chapter. That is exercise 1.4. After completing exercise 1.4, I will give you the assignment number 2. So, okay, Allah Hafiz and inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.